So we are going to see the first topic, that is Himalayan mountains. Can I say important things? Will you read your textbook? Okay. First point, it is first thing what we are going to see: Himalaya geologically young and structurally fold and stretch over the northern border of India. We can say like that, it is young as well as folded mountains. Speciality of Himalaya, it is young as well as folded mountains, and these mountains are ranges runs in the west east direction from the Indus to Brahmaputra. If you are seeing the map, we can see that one. It is the Himalaya ranges. It is starting from here and it is moving to this area and ending here. We can see up to here, and again it is coming down and reaching to down area, like that we can see. So it is starting from west side to east side, because it is important when we are making the divisions on upper, lower and middle, like that Himalayas. That time we want to understand. So we want to understand the direction of Himalaya, and it is starting from Indus river to Brahmaputra river. And the Himalaya represents a loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain valleys of the world. It is very represents the loftiest one, means a very soft one, and very soft one and young one. At the same time, it is rugged. It is very difficult. It is not the real slope what we have seen used to see in Western Ghat or Eastern Ghat. Not like that. That is the speciality of Mount Himalayas. Then next one, they from an arc which covers a distance of about 2,400 kilometers. The width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. We can see the total distance of Himalaya. Total distance of Himalaya, it is 2,400 kilometers, and the width of Himalaya, that is in Arunachal Pradesh, it is difficult. Varies from the distance of the Himalaya, that is from Indus to Brahmaputra, that is 2,400 kilometers, and the width it is varies from Indus area. It is a larger one, and when it is reaching to the Brahmaputra area, or where Brahmaputra is reaching to India, that area we can see a little bit narrower than the east side. And the altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. The altitude means latitude and longitudinal differences, as well as the height difference, everything we can see in the eastern part and western part differences we can see. The Himalayan consists of three parallel ranges. Its longitudinal extent. A number of valleys lies between these ranges. We have when we are looking at the Himalayan, we can see three parallel ranges. In the picture it is shown like that with the line. First one, then second one, let me second one and third one, like that three ranges we can see. Don't think like that it is made like that exact line. It is according to the height and the physical features of that mountains. We are making the three divisions, three parallel divisions. We can see the name of that one also. The Kailash, the some of the ranges name also it is given, and the upper Himalaya, it is not in the parallel way. It is not continuous one. It is not continuous one. It is discontinued mountains, one by one mountains. And second one, it is means continuous mountain. Again, the lower Himalaya, it is also not in continuous one. And we want to see the name of the places and where it is, and like that things, and it is very important for map question also. Then we have seen the three parallel ranges. A number of valleys between the ranges. Each and every valleys ranges, it is how we are making the differentiation with the help of valleys. Then the northernmost ranges is known as the Great or Inner Himalayas or Sahyadri. The topmost one or the northern one. Which one is the greater one? When we are thinking with the total, in that the northern ones are the great ones, or the heighter one, that is known as the Great Himalaya or Inner Himalaya, or the Himadri. Himadri means covered with snow. It is almost continuous range consisting of loftiest peaks with an average height of 600 meters, and it consists of all prominent Himalayan peaks. All the prominent Himalayan peaks, it is coming here. K, like that we are calling, like that K and other Himalayan ranges we can see. If you are looking at the this one, we can see the Karakoram peak here, peak, then Agil peak, then we can see here Ladakh is in that area. Then the next one, Karakoram, we can see the Karakoram ranges. In that peak it is coming here, and this is because nowadays we are hearing the Pakistan and China, they are coming and attacking, and we can see the Shipki La and lakes, Mansarovar Lake, Gulam, Mandada, like that many lakes and many major areas also we can see. And this is the top area, and Himalaya or Sahyadri, and this area maximum it is covered with snow. Maximum time it is covered with snow, and it is above 600 meters. The peaks it is coming above 600 meters. And we are moving to the second part of the lesson, that is we have before that we can see the some of the peaks and which country having that one, which part it is coming to India. Mount Everest, that is in Nepal, and total the height it is 8,848 meters. Then Kanchenjunga, that is in India, that is 8,598. Then Makalu, that is in Nepal. Then next one Dhaulagiri, that also in Nepal. Then Nanga Parbat, that is in India. Then Annapurna in Nepal, Nanda Devi in India, Kamet in India, Namcha Barwa in India, then Guria Mandada, that is in Nepal. That both countries we are sharing the highest peaks. So we are getting the tourism also because of Himalayan ranges. We are getting tourism amount also from Himalayan ranges. We are going to see the next topic, that is next part. The falls of the Great Himalayas are asymmetrical, because it is not in the symmetrical way. Sometimes it is very high, sometimes it is very low, and the distance also it is not in proper way. The core of this part of Himalaya is composed of granite. Means the land area, it is we can see the high deposition of granite we can see, and it is generally snow bound, and a number of glaciers descended from these ranges. From the top ranges or the Great Himalaya, we can see it is maximum time it is covered with snow, and many glaciers. Glaciers means which is rivers which is covered with snow, and sometimes it is very fast. It may water will move like that we can see, and it is very dangerous areas also. The next one, the ranges lying into the south of the Himadri from the most rugged mountain system, it is known as the Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, which is coming down to the south, the least part we can see here, the least part, it is known as the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The lower Himalaya, it is also made by rocks. and the altitude it is varies from 3700 to 4500. In the first greater Himalaya above 6000 meters, and here we can see the height is 3700 to 4500 then meters, and the average width it is very less, that is 50 kilometer only, while the Pir Panjal range from the longest and the most important ranges, and we can see the that also not in the continuous discontinuous mountains we can see. And first one it is Pir Panjal ranges, that is the longest one and the most important one, and Dauladar and Mahabharat ranges are also prominent. Other prominent ones are there. Means in that we are having the three major ranges. One is Pir Panjal, then Dauladar and Mahabharat. And these ranges consist of famous valley of Kashmir, where many tourist people they are coming. We are getting many tourist people and very good foreign currency because of tourism also. That is in Lesser Himalaya, and that is Kangra and Kallu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. It is sharing with two states now, with two union territories and one state, and that is Kashmir and Ladakh, as well as the Himachal Pradesh. They are sharing that type of mountains here in India. And this region is well known for its hill station. Darjeeling, like that, very famous hill stations we are having in this area, where in the Lesser Himalaya. So what we discussed 2 points. One is Great Himalaya, next one is Lower Himalaya, and okay, we'll continue in next video.